Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to access Microsoft OneDrive. So OneDrive is basically used to have a cloud storage space. So this is where you can store files, and this is where you can have access to things outside of your PC. So in order to access that, you want to go up to the search bar and you want to type in Office 365. Click on the first link where it says login. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and click that sign in button. Here you'll be prompted to sign in with an email, so you will sign in with your BSI issued email. So once you type that in, you can go ahead and click the next button. After you do that, you will be prompted to sign in with Duo. Here you will type in that same BSI issued email along with the password. Once you do that, you can go ahead and click login. Once you're into Office 365, you can go ahead and click on OneDrive. Here is where you'll have access to those files outside of your PC or even on your PC. This will be a good place to back up things. There's over 300 different file types you can store in here, and it makes it plain and simple for you. So what you can do to upload to OneDrive is you want to go up to the top where it says upload and click files. You can even do a folder, same process. So you want to locate the file on your PC. Here I'll pick a Word doc, and then you click open. Here we'll upload to your OneDrive, and it's there for safekeeping. You can access this on your phone if you have OneDrive installed, or anywhere else that you log into Office 365. If you have any questions, please contact the IT department and we will get you squared away.